Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to clear RAM cache on Windows 11. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, go down here and click the right button and click Task Manager. Perfect. Now you will be see the list of application that's running right now in our RAM. So now we need to see the large one to the small one. Okay, we need to know who is the application that's take the high usage memory. So click on memory, and we will see here the most application that's take a high usage in RAM. Okay, so now pay attention here. You should be to close only the application that you know, because if you close other application that's related in your system, your computer will shut down. Okay, so pay attention. So we have here a Microsoft Edge. It's take 1 GB in memory. We have here Discord, we have BlueStacks. So right now I'm going to close only the application that I know. For example, Discord, I don't use it, so click End Task. Perfect. BlueStacks also, click the right and click End Task and close only the application that you know. Okay, for example, Persig and Task, go down, Ethernet, close it. WhatsApp, I don't use it, can close it. Persig, close it. So yeah, TeamViewer, close it. Okay, Poltalk update service, close it. So yeah, close only the application that you know. I will close it. And you can if you don't use Microsoft Edge, you can close it also. So that's it, how you can clear the cache memory on your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.